Essential question. How can some animals change their habitats? Animal Habitats by Augustine Carpenter. Animals need a place to live. They need safe homes. They need a place where they can raise their families. The place where an animal lives is called its habitat. Look at this furry squirrel. He lives in a nest in the tree. Squirrels like to live where they can find lots of food. What kind of food do they like? They like acorns and seeds. They bury nuts in the ground. Why? So they will have plenty of food in the cold winter months. Something else is in the tree. Do you see the woodpecker? It is peeking out of a hole. Who made the hole in the tree? The woodpecker did. He tap, tap, tapped with his beak. Now the tree has a hole, but the woodpecker has a place for a nest. Some animals live underground. This toad burrowed. That means it dug a hole for a home. When it rains, the toad will come out. Have you ever seen a muddy toad before? This toad looks pretty muddy. Can you guess why? Other animals burrow too. Some animals dig dens for their homes. These foxes live in a den. So does this woodchuck. Who else lives underground? Moles do, and even families of prairie dogs live underground. Is burrowing good for the ground? Worms burrow everywhere. They create tunnels that go on and on. The soil moves with the worms. It gets more water and air. It also gets more fertilizer, which is very good. Rabbits are little animals that live in burrows. Several rabbit families may share one burrow. They eat and sleep there. When they come out of their burrows, they like to eat. They eat flowers and they eat vegetables. That is good for the rabbit, but not for humans. Some animals live in the water. Other animals live near the water. Beavers live near streams and lakes. They are good swimmers. Trees can always be found near the beaver's home. You might see teeth marks in the trees. They belong to a beaver. He uses wood to make a lodge. Sometimes beaver dams make the land flood, which can cause problems. The ground can get too soft. Farmers may lose their crops. On the other hand, beaver dams help other animals. Deer look for plants where the beavers have cut down trees. Ducks make nests on top of dams, and so do geese. Some animals carry their homes with them. A snail has a shell on its back. It stays in its shell when the weather is dry. On a rainy day, a snail comes out to search for food. What do snails eat? They eat what they find in their habitat. They eat fruits and vegetables. They like to eat from gardens. What about bees? Where do they live? Bees live in a nest called a hive. The hive can be in a tree. Bees make honey. Bees spread pollen from plant to plant. Many plants need bees to survive. We need plants. Hooray for bees! Where do you live? Do you live in the city? Do you live in the country? Have you changed your habitat in a good way? You can pick up your trash. Help water the flowers. Wave hello to your neighbor. Your home is a habitat for you.